Today I am reviewing the LEONX M2 Pro electric bike. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the 1800-watt peak high-speed brushless motor. This isn't your average e-bike powertrain. The LEONX M2 Pro delivers a massive 110 Newton-meters of torque, enough to tackle steep hills up to a 30-degree incline with ease. Whether you're commuting through city streets, cruising on forest trails, or powering through sandy or snowy terrain, this motor has the muscle to get you there. And with a top speed of up to 36 miles per hour, this bike sits at the high end of the spectrum for electric bikes in its class. It offers the kind of performance you'd expect from an e-bike that doesn't just assist, it dominates. Paired with this motor is a 48-volt, 17.5 amp-hour removable battery, giving you a riding range between 36 and 85 miles per charge, depending on your mode of riding, terrain, and assist level. That kind of range makes it suitable for everything from daily commuting to long-distance exploration. And the fact that the battery is removable means you can easily charge it indoors, at work, or anywhere with a wall socket. But raw power and range aren't everything. Ride quality matters too, and this is where the LEONX M2 Pro really stands out. It's equipped with dual suspension, including a lockable and adjustable front suspension downhill fork that absorbs impact on rough terrain. Add in the 26 by 4.0-inch fat tires, and you got a setup that cushions your ride on everything from rocky trails to sandy beaches to urban potholes. The bike's 180mm dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, even on long downhill slopes or during wet and slippery conditions. This level of braking control adds a strong sense of safety and precision, especially for high-speed riding. The frame design is both rugged and ergonomic, with an EMTB, electric mountain bike, geometry that provides a comfortable riding position without compromising off-road capabilities. Despite its power and weight, the M2 Pro handles with surprising agility. Now, let's talk about technology and usability. The bike includes an intelligent display with a built-in USB port, which means you can charge your smartphone or other devices on the go. Whether you're using GPS navigation, tracking your ride, or just topping off your battery, this little feature adds real convenience. There are 5 riding modes to choose from: full electric, pedal assist, cruise control, normal riding, and walk booster. Combine that with a 7-speed gear system, and you have a bike that's adaptable for a wide range of riders and riding conditions, from daily commuters to weekend trailblazers. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The M2 Pro includes integrated front and rear lights, a horn, and even turn signals, which significantly boost visibility during night riding or on busy streets. Now, in terms of setup, LEONX has made this super user-friendly. The bike arrives 95% pre-assembled, and the remaining setup is straightforward. Even if you're not particularly handy, you'll be up and riding in no time. LEONX also backs the M2 Pro with a 1-year warranty on quality-related issues and provides lifetime technical guidance. That's a big plus in a market where post-purchase support can be hit or miss. So who is this bike for? If you're an adventure seeker who wants power and performance, a commuter looking for an eco-friendly and exhilarating alternative to traffic, or someone who just wants to enjoy longer rides with less fatigue, the LEONX M2 Pro hits all the right notes. It's fast, rugged, intelligently designed, and built to perform in all conditions, and it looks great doing it. Whether you're climbing hills, cruising trails, or just turning heads on your local bike path, the LEONX M2 Pro offers a next-level e-bike experience at a price point that undercuts many of its competitors. If you're ready to upgrade your ride, this bike is ready to take you farther, faster, and more comfortably than ever before.